And before I introduce some practical research, I would like to give an overview about the data analytics application in the power system. Actually, there's uh, the milestone around 2000. And before that, we introduced the statistical learning methods that like the decision trees, SVM, and natural networks in our area. And actually, after that, actually we really enter the era of deep learning and big data analytics. We are very familiar with the CNN, RN, and it really have achieved greater success in fields like image recognition, speech recognition, natural language processing, and the classification of the data methods application in the power system analysis. There are some typical areas. For example, we do the regression problems solved based on the deep learning and the typical problems including the load, renewable energy, and other forecasting problems. And we also do the clarification problems based on the deep learning, such as the power grid equipment fault diagnosis and stability assessment and the other typical problems. And we also introduce the decision-making problem based on the reinforcement learning, such as the voltage control strategy, charging strategy, and so on. And especially in the recent years, and we more and more big data methods and also the AI methods introduced in our area. And actually, we have the LSTM used for the load forecasting, transformer used for load forecasting, and also the PIN in power system, and also the large-scale time series models is very hot in this year. And we can clearly know that the application of the data-driven methods in power system analysis is somewhat lagging behind the development of the method themselves, and the current lagging application is gradually shortening since our subcommittee really play a really critical role to push forward this area. And that means more and more researchers in power system really focus on the interdisciplinary research, combine the big data analytics methods and AI in the power system. And actually, in recent years, the application of data methods has shifted from focusing on the accuracy of fitting a linear relationship to describing uncertainties in physical quantities, enhancing the interpretability of models, improving the generalizability of the models, and integrating with traditional physical computation models. And so, based on the overview, actually, I just focus on the small data scenarios I introduced. I just introduced. I would like to introduce three kinds of work. Especially, I will especially introduce the idea and in the small data analytics for the enhanced situational awareness, and they are adaptive window power prediction under extreme weather conditions. And I will also introduce the operational situational aware assessment and the small data size, and also the load image embedding research works.